Hey, what's up, everybody? Mark here. We got a little product ordered in the mail from Amazon. Yeah, it's just a basic white box, but you might appreciate this. This is a filter that the Summit makes. I think it's called SUMK. It's a Model 3 air filter intakes. And then we'll open this up and I'll show you exactly what this is about. So a lot of cars have a pre-filter inside and then they have a cabin filter. What Tesla has done, they had not included one of these in here, so this company made one. It's a real basic filter. Some people reported that it reduces the airflow in the car, but I haven't noticed that. I've had one in there about a week, but we're gonna show you how to install it right here. Let's jump in here and show you that. So let's talk about this here. So it was about $16.99, I think it was, for this filter. I mean, for Amazon, for a couple days shipping, that's okay, I guess, for pricing. A little bit overpriced. Probably could come in around $10 or $12 for it, for the quality end. But to install this, what we're going to do, it's real simple and easy. We're going to pull this off, and then you're going to expose your battery section and all that in here. I'm going to set that to the side so it's not like in the way. So this is cut, as you guys can see right here. And what that's going to do is in each one of these little channels right here, it's going to fit perfectly in there. So it has these folds in it just like that. So the easiest way to get this put in is to just fold it up a little bit and find those channels that it's going to set in and fold it and slide it right in there. There you go. It's going to slide in just like that. There you go. That's all you need to do. What that's going to do is offer layer protection from here and your inside cabin filter. It's going to hopefully reduce the wear on your cabin filter there. So let's take a look inside here and just see exactly what we're looking at. So this is going way down in there, and as you guys can see, it's got just a little hole down there in the bottom just like that. And what happens is little pieces of dust, particles, and leaves get in there. And we're going to put that on and show you how that works. All right, so that's it. That's pretty much what you have to do to get it installed. We're gonna replace this here. Snaps right back in. There's about 6 or 7 of these little tabs that this sits in. You'll hear them snap. You wanna do each one of these on each side. There it goes, just like that. All right, so that's it. We're gonna check back in about a week, see how this looks.
1 week later.
And as you guys, there it is. There you go. See, even in there, each one of these little channels has like just little debris and dirt in there. So what that's gonna do is that's gonna protect your air filter. And so what we'll do is we're gonna put this one back in. I don't wanna just waste this one just yet. This one probably has another, I'd change this out once every, what, month or two? Probably about a month. Yeah, about a month. I mean, as cheap as they are, if you can get them in bulk, change them out about once a month. So we'll put it right back in there, set it in just like that, seal it up. There we go. All right, so we've got that put back in there and that looks good. That, after a week, I'm surprised at what that looks like. That was pretty significant. So we're gonna change that out every month there. If you wanna get one of these, you can check it out in the description below. Again, I think they were like $16. I'll double check the price on there and put it in there for you so you have that. I wanna thank you guys for watching, like, and subscribing. If you have any questions, put them in comments. You know I respond, and I'll see you again soon.